Good afternoon. The weather across southern Britain hardly ideal for migrating birds over the next few days. There's going to be a lot of cloud around and some pretty strong winds. Today we've had some wet weather at the cenotaph, but that's now moving away out into the southern North Sea, a little area of low pressure. Brighter weather coming along behind that, but it's not that low that we're really worrying about for the rest of the week. It's this one behind me out to the west of the British Isles. That's quite a major development. It's going to slip southwards and then it'll slip eastwards, so it's going to bring some wet weather to southern parts of the British Isles, and it's also going to bring gale force winds with it. So tonight those winds not really strengthening up, so we are expecting a frost from around about the Midlands northwards, but as the winds pick up later on in the week, I think that threat of frost receding northwards. That area of low pressure will slowly slip further and further southwards and take its rain away, but it will be quite a slow process. Monday night, we've still got the blustery conditions in the south, so frosts up in the far north. But then Tuesday night, Wednesday night, we'll start to see the frost threat migrating southwards once again as that low moves away, lighter winds and clearer skies beginning to move further and further south. On Monday, still some wet and windy weather across southern Britain. One or two showers in northern and eastern areas. And then on Tuesday, still a few showers down the eastern side, still some wet and windy weather in the south, but I think the heavy rain will be moving across towards France. By Wednesday, brighter, drier weather beginning to push down towards the Channel coast, but some thicker cloud bringing some drizzly rain down across Scotland into Northern Ireland and eventually into northern parts of England. Later on in the week, this nose of high pressure pushes in and then high pressure takes over for the end of the week. So that means light winds, perhaps well-broken clouds, so that means some frosty nights to come in central areas Wednesday night into Thursday night, and it also brings the threat of fog with it. Mind you, we've had some fog today, which is being very slow to clear away. So Thursday, some fog around in the morning, taking its time to clear away. The remnants of that rain on Wednesday pushing out into the North Sea. And then for many of us, dry and bright weather, and that really continuing towards the end of the week. So as we could have some thicker cloud around these northern and eastern coasts, bringing a little bit of drizzly rain. But for most of us, a dry end to the week, broken cloud, some frost, but also some fog, which may be rather slow.